This video is for informational purposes only and is not investment advice. Prepare to dive into the revolutionary world of NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, where unique digital assets are transforming ownership as we know it, representing everything from art and music to virtual real estate on blockchain technology. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are unique digital treasures, each one distinct and irreplaceable. Unlike traditional fungible cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum that can be exchanged on a one-to-one basis. They represent verifiable ownership of specific items, from stunning digital art and music tracks to expansive virtual real estate, all securely verified and recorded on a decentralized blockchain ledger. Unlike fungible assets like dollars or Bitcoin, which can be exchanged one-for-one without loss of value, each NFT possesses a unique cryptographic identity, making it a truly one-of-a-kind digital collectible using standards like ERC 721. The journey of NFTs began subtly in 2012 with early concepts like colored coins on Bitcoin, followed by Counterparty's rare Pepe cards, pioneering the idea of unique digital assets on blockchain. Then came CryptoPunks in 2014 from Larva Labs, one of the first collections featuring 10,000 procedurally generated pixel art characters, laying essential groundwork for the modern NFT ecosystem. The market truly exploded in 2021, highlighted by Beeple's monumental Everydays. The first 5,000 days selling for an astonishing $69.3 million at Christie's auction on March 11th, catapulting NFTs into mainstream awareness. Total NFT sales skyrocketed to $25 billion in 2021 alone, with leading platforms like OpenSea achieving peak monthly trading volumes of $3.5 billion in early 2022, showcasing explosive growth. NFTs operate on robust blockchain technology, primarily Ethereum, utilizing programmable smart contracts to enforce ownership rules, scarcity, and authenticity without intermediaries. The process begins with minting, where creators upload a digital file to a decentralized storage system like IPFS for permanence, transforming it into a blockchain-anchored asset. A smart contract then deploys the NFT token, embedding metadata that links to the file, assigns a unique ID, and often programs in creator royalties, such as 10% on all future secondary sales. Buyers connect their crypto wallets, like the popular MetaMask, to marketplaces such as OpenSea or Rarible, then purchase NFTs using cryptocurrencies like ETH through a seamless interface. Ownership is securely transferred via a transparent blockchain transaction, where gas fees, typically $10 to $100 on Ethereum, apply, ensuring immutable and verifiable record-keeping for all parties. Among the most iconic NFTs are the pioneering CryptoPunks from 2014 by Larva Labs, renowned for their role in NFT history and commanding floor prices around $50,000 in ETH equivalent, with total sales exceeding $2 billion. The Bored Ape Yacht Club, launched in 2021 by Yuga Labs with its 10,000 unique ape avatars, quickly became a cultural phenomenon, attracting celebrity owners like Eminem and Snoop Dogg while expanding into the Other Side metaverse ecosystem. NBA Top Shot, launched in 2020 by Dapper Labs, revolutionized sports collectibles by tokenizing iconic basketball highlights as limited edition NFTs, generating peak sales of $230 million in 2021. Beyond digital art, NFTs are finding innovative real-world applications in gaming like Axie Infinity, music with projects like Kings of Leon's album NFTs, and even loyalty programs such as Starbucks Odyssey. The advantages of NFTs include true provable digital ownership, enabling creators to earn ongoing royalties averaging 5 to 10% on secondary sales, and fostering vibrant online communities around shared digital assets. However, significant challenges persist, including substantial environmental impact from energy-intensive minting, though reduced 99% post-Ethereum merge, extreme market volatility where 90% of NFTs may become worthless, and ongoing potential copyright issues. Looking ahead, NFTs are poised for deeper integration into metaverses like Decentraland and the Sandbox, where virtual land sales have exceeded $500 million, creating immersive digital economies. A major future trend is the tokenization of real-world assets, or RWAs, from fractional real estate ownership to luxury goods like Nike's patent-linked CryptoKick sneakers, bridging physical and digital worlds. This video is for informational purposes only and is not investment advice. We strongly encourage you to conduct your own thorough research, fully understand the inherent risks, and approach NFTs with caution. Explore the fascinating world of digital collectibles responsibly. Stay informed about this rapidly evolving technological frontier and consider the projected market growth to $230 billion by 2030.
If you want more crypto updates, market analysis, and breaking news, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications.